Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I hope that you'll like this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'll fire up my Excel. So do you happen to have data like this, what I'm showing here in Excel, whereby there are certain rows, you have the data, certain rows, you have spaces. What I mean is you see spaces in between your data. So normally what you do is that in order to remove all these spaces, I believe you'll be doing the same thing like me, is that you're going to select all these spaces, right? And you do a right click and then do a delete. Okay, so this method is perfectly fine if you have a list of data that is really short, like what I'm showing here in this example. Okay, now what if you have hundreds of lines and maybe thousands of lines of data, and each of them you have all these spaces in between. It's going to be a nightmare if you try to do it manually, right? And what makes it worse is that for example, okay, I happen to deal with it all the time, is that before I know this new method is when I was selecting all these spaces and I wanted to delete it, then I accidentally do a left click or right click and I'll need to redo again. It is really such a pain. Okay, so today I'm going to share to you a more easier way and quickest way to actually delete all these spaces. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is that you select this column and then you come to here, find and select, go to special, you see blanks over here, tick on the blanks. Okay, click OK, and you can see that all the spaces are already selected. And one last step to complete this whole thing is you come to here, go to delete. There's options called delete sheet rows. Okay, so click on that. Okay, and that's it. That's how to do it. Easy, right? Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see other similar videos like this, please do click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.